Now, we sell so many Porsche 911s here at Acklam Cars, especially when they're as good as this particular one. This is a 2023 23 registration with only 7,000 miles on. This car would have cost, what, nearly 145, 150,000 pounds brand new? Today with a live price, this car is only 110,990. Now this is the Carrera 4 GTS. The 4 means 4-wheel drive. GTS means really it's just a good performance sports car, supercar, call it what you want. With 7,000 miles on, it's in a tremendous condition, but it's the optional extra list from the fact that this car has on it. First of all, the colour. Shark blue is a very, very good individual paint, a great sports car colour, but then it has the exclusive style package finished in high gloss black, and you can see that because it's only minimal, like the front splitter, the corner and the venting, around the side and the back, and against the shark blue, it does pop really, really well. You've then got the LED strip lighting, LED headlights. You've also got the GTS 20-inch wheels on the front and 21-inch on the back. The black decals down the side, which is the GTS, and the exclusive style package in gloss black continues on the side skirts, rim mirror covers and the window surrounds. But then you've got a very key bit of specification, which is the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. The GTS Interior Package, which is all throughout the interior, starting at the door card with the Alcantara. You've then got the Crayon stitching and the matte carbon interior interface. You've then got the GT upgraded steering wheel with heated steering wheel, BOSE sound system, the 18-way multi-way seat, which is very, very important, bucket style seating, heated seats, automatic gearbox, cup holders. It's a very good, up-to-date, modern sports car that can be driven every day, still be comfortable in it, with all the adjustments, touchscreen media system, sports chrono package. This is a cool car. Cruise control. Little things I sometimes find that my Porsche customers will miss out. Power steering plus. For me, you must have power steering plus on a Porsche. Now, if you don't know already, it's speed sensitive steering really. So at low speed, it makes it really light. At high speed, it makes it nice and tight. But it makes a massive difference if you enjoy your driving and you like your sports car. Power steering plus is just, it's a deal breaker. This car's got it. The BOSE and everything else is just nice to have. Matte carbon continues down the centre here. You've got lighting, cup holder, tracker fobs, centre armrest with the Alcantara wrapped and more cubbyhole space. The car sounds good. Remember, it's 4-wheel drive, so you're not going to get stuck with this car, but you still got the power. And it feels like a sports car because you're sat nice and low down. Legs are pretty much stretched out, but you still got lots of headroom because you have got the 18-way adjustable seats just there. In the back, you have got more space because remember, this is a Carrera 4 GTS, so the back seats are tiny. Let's not make any excuses about that. But the seats, kids can certainly get in there, but an adult won't sit in there comfortably. That's the only thing. As for the rear end of the vehicle, as you get to the rear, you'll see these bulging arches. You've then got the chip guard on both sides as well. And then this car has got the Aero Kit, if you haven't noticed already, with this huge rear spoiler, finished in gloss black for the top part, and then the shark blue continues. You've then got the exclusive rear lights here, which is all clear, full strip LED, Porsche and the 911 GTS badging finished in black. Sports exhaust on this car, again finished in black, but the condition, because the car's doing 7,000 miles, you wouldn't expect anything different from the wheels, the bodywork, and then the interior, which starts about here. There's absolutely nothing on this car. If you are in the market for a Porsche 911 and you want something a little bit special, a little bit different, you can't really compare a normal GTS to something like this with individual paint, with all that specification, paddle shift. It's just good machine. It's everything a sports car should be, plus a little bit more. This one's going live now. If you want to know anything more about it, if you've got a part exchange, you want to know the finance package, get in touch. My name and number's on the screen. A car like this doesn't hang around for too long because of what it is. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.